everybody, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are looking at Stand By Me by Ben E. King, and this one is simple chords, very, very easy. We're going to go through it. I will show you the exact chords. I'm going to show you a play along. I will show you a strumming pattern, and we're going to jump straight in. Here we go. Okay, let's jump straight in with the chords. They do not get any more simpler than this. It starts with a G. Right here, a G. To an E minor. To a C, to a D, back to the G. It's that simple. It really is that simple. It's G, E minor, C, D, back to the G. Very simple beginner style chords for you to sing a song. Now there's a few strumming patterns that you could do with this. I'm going to go for the very simple down, down, up, down, up, because it's something that we've been playing on. I think this is something that you can do with most songs and it will help you slowly build a repertoire of music. So again, I need you to mute the strings and it's down, down, up, down, 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 up. Practice that, like I've said in previous videos, for 20 minutes before you even start trying to play the song or doing the chords, and this is going to get your rhythm hand working for you and you're going to stop thinking about it, okay? You know, there are other rhythms. You can do a simple down, up, down, up, down, up constantly, but with this one, we're going to stick with this because that's what I did with the last song, and I think it's good to keep a repetition while you're beginning and learning guitar. Now let's look at the chords. So we're going to start with the G. And we're going to go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Move to the E minor. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then to the C. Down, down, up, down, up. To the D. Down, down, up, down, up. Back to the G. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now, you notice I'm saying down, down, up, down, up. I will repeat this in every tutorial because when you're doing the rhythm to start off with, it's really simple for you to help you learn is by talking each movement because your hand is going to follow that. It's easier to get that muscle memory link with your hand. So down, down, up, down, up. Or if you want to change to a different rhythm, you can go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yes? So by talking your way through it, it becomes a lot easier and a lot faster for you to get this repetition. And then soon your hand will just be doing what it needs to do. And then once you've practiced many rhythms, you're going to find that you just kind of have your own style with songs. You'll start changing melodies slightly or start changing rhythms, doing stops and starts. But that's much more for the more intermediate style guitar player. So this is for beginners, okay? Because, for instance, how I play this is completely different to how I'm actually showing you how to play it. I don't play this rhythm, but I'm trying to make it simple for you. Let's have a little bit of a run through. We're going to start off, we're going to do the chords, and I'm going to talk the down, down, up, and you follow with me, and that's what we're going to do. And then we'll go in and we'll start saying the chords, and then we'll start singing the song. Okay, here we go. You ready? 2, 3, down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up, down, up. G, G, E minor, to a C, to a D, to a G. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long you stand by me. Stand by me, very simple, easy chords. Down, down, up, down, up pattern. simple G, E minor, C, D, and that is the whole song. It's as simple as that. Like I said, please just practice that down, down, up strum. That's the main thing you need to do. Obviously, practice those chords. You know, if you are struggling at changing between chords, just pick two and practice for 20 minutes going between each one. So if you're like on the G to the E minor, and then to the E minor, back to the G, to the E minor, and spend 20 minutes of doing that between each chord, and you'll slowly see progression. Remember, it is not a speed race, it is a marathon to learn guitar. I still class myself as a somewhat intermediate guitar player, and it's taken me many years to get where I am. I probably could have been here a lot faster, but you know, life and doing work and stuff like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this. My name's been Scott. This is Stand By Me. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.